This post details an experience of being completely lucid but with almost zero short-term memory caused by sedation due to surgery. Contrast enables developers to deploy and manage confidential containers on Kubernetes at scale. It is designed to keep all data always encrypted and to prevent access from the infrastructure layer. Contrast integrates with existing Kubernetes workflows and is compatible with managed Kubernetes. It can be used to increase the security of containers, move sensitive workloads, shield code and data, simplify regulatory compliance, and more. Getting into YC represents a success that involves a significant amount of capital, often pre-revenue. This article analyzes companies' value propositions to learn from them. It examines how businesses can bring efficiencies to existing markets, provide value to underserved communities, and advance technology. The two biggest causes of failure for startups are offering something that customers don't want and overestimating the size of a market. Apple is reportedly working on a MacBook with a folding display. While previous rumors suggest that the company will go with a 20-inch display, Apple is supposedly also considering an 18.8-inch panel. The 20-inch version will look similar to a 14 to 15-inch MacBook when closed. Apple is working with LG Display to make the folding screen as crease-free as possible. The device could go into production as soon as the end of next year. The SEC has approved a rule change that paves the way for ETFs that buy and hold Ether. The Commission approved Bitcoin ETFs less than 6 months ago. Those funds have proven a big success for the industry. Many of the companies that sponsor Bitcoin ETFs have already started the process of launching an Ether fund. The approval of Ether ETFs is a sign that the SEC's stance toward crypto may be softening. The approval for Ether ETFs does not extend to other crypto projects on the Ethereum network. Magic UI is a library of animated components that can be copied and pasted into apps for free. Daylight's DC-1 is the world's first computer that is totally blue light free. Its 10.5-inch LivePaper display refreshes at up to 120 Hz. The tablet enables for a paper-like reading and writing experience while offering compatibility with Android apps. The screen is readable in sunlight. It is available for pre-order for $729. An issue that appeared to be linked to Bing's API caused several services, including ChatGPT, Copilot, and DuckDuckGo, to stop working on Thursday morning. Matcha.css is a pure CSS library designed to style HTML elements, ideal for fast prototyping, static HTML pages, Markdown-generated documents, and developers seeking to streamline their workflow. Pixium Vision, a company with an innovative retinal implant that tackles vision loss, has been acquired by Science, a bioelectronics startup run by Neuralink's co-founder, Max Hodak. Pixium was in danger of disappearing completely after running out of money last November. Studies suggest that its technology is safe and potentially effective. Science will push to get the technology approved in Europe as quickly as possible. Every product on the internet is either a time sink or a money sink. This post discusses how to build a design system. It covers the benefits of design systems, the potential problems with using them, the best way to go about building a design system, ways to improve existing design systems, and more. It is important to design systems that users understand and want to use. Making a system too strict or complicated can cause adoption issues. The AI industry has seen several hype cycles throughout the decades, each producing genuinely useful technology and lasting longer than the last. Every cycle follows the process of a sigmoid curve rather than an exponential one. All strategies for developing the technology inevitably have a limit that doesn't take too long to find. While the current AI hype cycle is unlike any that have come before it, it will likely follow a similar trajectory as previous cycles. One of the 13 root servers that provision the Internet's root zone experienced an unexplained glitch that could have caused stability and security problems worldwide.